Bismillah. Alright, good day, guys. We're back again with Kana video, Kana channel. Konnichiwa, minasan. Ito, Kana desu. Alright, today, um, I would like to share a simple solution towards old table fans that is having problems with um, ball bearings, which makes them not ball bearings. Should we say the joints that made the fan, old table fan, or any simple fan, house fan, um, hard to move, old age. So I researched in the internet and found a few solutions that not many people know about. So uh, just want to share a simple solution for it um, that I found on the internet, and I would like to try it on my own fan to see how it works. Um, let's see. Let's see if we can make a fan spins like new. Oh, and by the way, we absolutely need a lubricant. A cleaner and a lubricant. So basically, I have a WD 40. It's not exactly WD 40, but it's better you get it. You get WD 40 to lubricate, to clean the rusts or any other gunk or whatever is preventing the fan to spin. So I already took out the blades, the cage, and so on and so forth. So screwdriver and open the casing. Let's see how it does. Oh, and by the way, for those who are following my channels for the cryptocurrency mining, as you can how should I say, this past few weeks, um cryptocurrency price, the mainstream coins is getting higher in price, so it's a good thing. Well, but we'll see. So, oh, another screw. Well, for me, I'm mining into Ethereum. Uh, mining anything to Ethereum. Preferably change it auto convert it into Ethereum. So, uh, well, we have um, Bitcoin halving. Uh, uh, okay. Bitcoin halving 2 months ago. Is it 2 months ago? So everything is every all the prices is skyrocketing. Oh, okay. Lot of dirt. So we use a WD to loosen up. Mm, all right, looks good. There's no more um screeching sounds or how should I say it? There's no, the sound is smooth, so this should be okay. So just like that, it's done, and the spinning is also smooth. Uh, Looks smooth. How should we say, smoother than before? Okay, so we put back the cover. Okay. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. And always remember, don't lose the screws. So, what is this gunk? Oh, come on, get in there. Oi, oi, come on, man, get in there. This is so difficult for you to go in. Hmm? So skilled. uh, okay. Uh, um, I just better pause, time lapse the video for you. Easier for you to look at it. And all the screws are in and tightened. Now it's Let's try with the blades first. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. No more sounds. No more squeaking sounds. Whatever sounds. So a simple solution for it, for old fans or old table fans or stand fans, um, just spray the lubricant, um, uh, the lubricant cleaner and lubricant. So for example, the DWG40. Um, so it says stop squeaks. Um, Stop squeaks, drives out the moisture, cleans out and protects, loosens rusted parts, freeze sticky mechanism. Oh, by the way, from um, from safety and health point of view, remember to read the instructions and the safety instructions at the back. The problem is almost all of it is in Chinese, so I cannot read it. Oh, okay. It has English also. Matters needing attention do not spread directly on a human body. If splashed into the eyes, should be immediately washed with water and timely seek medical advice. The aerosol canister must be kept upright when ejecting vertical and horizontal angle, and horizontal angle should not be less than 45 degrees. This product is flammable. Store way below 40 Celsius. Please don't put it in a car. Keep away from heat and open fire. Expose puncture and burn cans. Avoid those. Okay, so basically it's a Chinese into English translation. Oh well, it does says WD, but it doesn't says WD-40. Well, it gets the job done, so it should be okay. So putting back the fan, putting the fan back together. Okay, putting back the blades. smooth, almost as new. All right, it's done. Well, I hope you guys got beneficial info from it, and take care, guys.